So guys, we are about to start. So who is going to win, me or her? I know I'm the one going to win, right? You trust me. Okay. Wow.
Okay, so
I'm pressing one.
1-0.
2. Shit. 3. I told them I'm going to.
Mm-hmm.
Let's continue.
So, shit.
Oh,
Okay. She has now gotten 1. And so you are losing.
3-1, right? 4-1.
It's 5-1, guys.
Four,
It's
four,
5.
no, it's
It
four.
was.
No, it was 3.
Guys, was it not?
No, 3-0. So I got the 1. So 4. You get it again. So 4-1.
You see, she's not cheating.
4. See, I can't.
Okay, now
5. Yes. So 5-1, right? 5-1.
Hey, she has not gotten 2.
2-5.
And
2-5. Let's go.
6. I told you guys I'm going to win now.
No, we lie.
You are 2 hours saying I'm lying. You are not gotten 2.
The first one can
Wow, look at how I played the bottle. I'm the champion. So 7.
Too much. Yes, 90.